It's looking crazy, like, nah. Yeah, I think everything is just looking bummy right now. I look bummy right now, but that's nothing unusual. I always look like this.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
I got Corona, says she don't got him, and Shorty says she alone. I would've gave him all her, but I ain't a donor. When I seen her the first time, I said I want her. You a bad chick, and she staying Fashion Nova.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm saying back, but this is really the first video I'm making. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna be trying to do butterfly locks, distressed locks, whatever they call. I'm starting off from blow dried hair. I blow dried it a little bit. Hold on, cause do you still see the shrinkage after I blow dried though? Clearly, I just don't know the blow dry or my hair is gonna shrivel up already. What we're gonna do first to start off the locks is I have to put my hair in braids, like mini box braids. So what I'm gonna be using is this. I'm trying this new product. Let me do the beauty crew still.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
It's basically shiny gem with the red top. I'm gonna use this to define my parts, and we're just gonna go from there. So the hair that I'm using for the locks is Freetress Water Wave 22-inch braiding hair. So I took 2 pieces of hair for each lock and I separated them. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting the crochet hook through my braid and I'm twisting the hair in the middle. And now what I did is I latched it onto the crochet hook, and after that I closed the crochet hook and I pulled it through. And once I pulled it through, it created a little loop. So what I'm doing is putting my actual braid through that little loop and I pulled it tight to make a knot. So once I have this knot, you see I have 2 pieces of braiding hair. So what I'm gonna do is with that first piece, I'm gonna hold it along with my actual hair, and with that second piece, I'm gonna wrap it around that first piece. So I'm wrapping it 3 times tightly at the root, as you can see, and from then on, I just kept wrapping all the way down to the shoulder length that I wanted. Once I finished wrapping up to my shoulders, with the excess hair at the bottom, it was time for me to wrap back up. So what I'm doing is holding the bottom of my hair with my thumb, and I'm folding the hair back up, and I'm basically just wrapping the hair up to the top. So I'm wrapping the remainder hair as far as it goes until I run out of any more braiding hair. With each lock, I used a second piece of braiding hair. So what I did is I took 1 piece of hair and cut it in half and separated each half. So as you can see, there's the cut piece right there. So what I'm gonna do is just start at the root again. And I'm basically gonna use my thumb to twist down. As you can see, I'm wrapping it around my thumb and it just gives it a more looser look, and this creates the distressed locks that I was talking about. So I'm just wrapping it all the way down, being messy with it until I run out of this hair. done, I was just playing around with my hair, seeing how it looks. What am I doing? Like, I already look dumb. But after that, I was basically just cutting the little scragglies at the bottom, and that was it. Alright, so it took me like 3 days. Like, I'm always coming here with chapped lips.
Oh, he needs some milk.
I try to put some hair jewelry in it to like, to like spice it up a little bit. Let me fix my sharp. How about I come prepared? Like, this is the length, very short. I put some hair jewelry, leftover hair jewelry that I had. I just put it in here. Let's see how middle part is looking. Middle parts aren't my thing.
Oh no, no.
But I actually like how it looks. First of all, let's look at the first one I did.
Oh, he needs some milk.
I don't know if the tutorial came out good. Honestly, it was really one twist after the other, and I got frustrated a lot. Like a lot. Basically, if you couldn't tell from the tutorial, all you're doing is really wrapping, and you're like turning it at the bottom and wrapping back up. And then I took another piece of hair and I started from almost at the root and I wrapped it just to give it that more messy look. So I like how it was messy, because if I messed up, I could just keep going and it's not a big deal. Sometimes I think I twisted too tightly. I don't know if I twisted too tightly or I twisted too loosely, so it was like curling up. Like, let me see if I could show y'all one. Like, even this one you could see, but it's messy, so it doesn't matter, you know what I'm saying? First time ever doing locks, first time. Hopefully I get better. Would I be able to do this on someone else? Probably not. I want to try getting like the actual crochet lock that's long already, and then I could just crochet my hair like that. Do y'all even like the hair jewelry? Let me put another thing in there. I feel like it's too like bland. I want to show out.
Stop it. Get some help.
But yeah, you gotta put some in the back. Don't neglect the back of your hair, because people are seeing the back of your hair too. So let's just find places to put in the back. Let's put it on this one. It's like when I first started doing it, I was actually like doing pretty good. When it was a pattern and I continued to keep going, I kept messing up so much. So I put my box braids in one day. I didn't braid all the way down. You don't have to braid your hair all the way down. 2 days to put these locks in. It's so late and I still have homework to do, so. But I like it. It's giving me very much professional, very much I've been growing on my hair since 2016 vibes. Giving very much this is my actual dreads. No? Okay. You gotta be careful when you're wrapping, like I said, because if you wrap too tight or too loose, it like curls up, which is so annoying. Sometimes when I added that second piece of hair, it would unravel at the top for some reason. I don't even know. That second piece of hair, wrap in the way you wrapped that your
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
that second piece of hair, wrap it in that same direction as the original piece. But other than that, hope you guys liked the video. This is my first time doing this style, so do I call it a fail? Not really. More hair tutorials in the future.
Probably, most likely, definitely.
Make sure y'all like for me, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And yeah, I'm out.